guys, so we all are in lockdown and we are missing our hair spa session at salon. So today I'm going to show you how I do my hair spa at home with very few products which are easily available at your home, and you can get these products easily from the local grocery shop. And this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is a new platform that connects influencers with top brands and shoppers. So let's get started. So first step is nourishing your scalp, and for this I'm using coconut oil. Added few drops of tea tree oil in this to avoid any scalp infection. And this is lukewarm so that it goes deep into my hair roots. It's time for step 2, and I'm using this Himalaya hair mask. Added 2 spoons of honey into it. Applying on my wet hair strands section by section. After full application, I'm going to make a bun and kept this wet towel in microwave for 1 minute, and I'm going to wrap this towel around my head for about 15 minutes. Wrapping this towel around my head makes sure that I'm going to get maximum benefit of this mask. Time for shampoo. Use a mild shampoo and conditioner. Don't use a hair dryer. Let your hair dry naturally. I'm using the Serum from L'Oreal Paris, which is very lightweight and gives shine to my hair. And voila! I've done the hair spa and got smooth and shiny hair. Try this and pamper your hair. Thanks for watching.